Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my kitchen. I am hungry and tired and I'm going to make up a fast meal, like 1, 2, 3 meal. Come on,
Jamaican. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
to eat. I'm going to show you how I make a fast and easy spaghetti dinner with tuna and all that good stuff. So come on, let's talk about our ingredients and the things that we are going to need to make up this fast and easy recipe, comforting and delicious. And still they're all tuna in water, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use those 2 cans to make this recipe. Also, mega had my onions, green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper in that dish there. Now to make my tuna nice and tasty, garlic, black pepper, and some crushed pepper. If you have any other pepper you want to use it. I don't want to ask catch on it in my thing because I don't have heartburn tonight. I don't know if I like pepper, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm also going to add some goat cheese to that. I love goat cheese. This goat cheese that I'm using, it has a little bit of pepper, a little spicy to it, but not overly spicy, so that is sufficient to top off my dish. Now to get my dish started, I'm going to use some EVO, and of course I'm going to use my traditional tomato spaghetti sauce or spaghetti paste, whatever you want to call it. But that is all that I'm going to do, and I'm going to be having it with some spaghetti, which is right there. I'm going to leave a link below, let you guys see how to make. Okay guys, in here I have my EVO, just a little bit. You don't want to put too much of that in there. And then I'm going to put my onions and my peppers in, and I'm going to give this about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my black pepper and my garlic and my crushed red pepper, hot pepper, and just mix that around. Give it 2 minutes and then we'll move on to our next step. So I go ahead and add my tuna in, and then you want to go ahead and put your sauce in, which is your spaghetti sauce. So I'm going to give this 5 minutes and it should be all done, so we'll come back. So okay guys, it's been 5 minutes and it's ready. It's ready to go on a plate, so I'm gonna get that set up for you on a plate so you can see what it looks like. It's so healthy and so delicious. Remember, I didn't add any salt to this recipe, and I'm going to use wheat pasta, and I'll put a link below showing you guys how to do that. Let's move on. So okay guys, let's get your plate set up. I got my spaghetti here, my wheat spaghetti. Okay, so now that I have my spaghetti set up, now I'm going to put in now I'm going to put my tuna on top of that. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my goat cheese on that. And guys, you could put whatever cheese that you like. Some of you might not like goat cheese, but me, I love goat cheese. And to make it even more tastier, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of my grated topping Parmesan cheese. Just sprinkle a little bit of that on that. And there you have it. I'm all done. This is how I make comfort food sometimes when I get in from work and I'm really hungry and I don't want to be bothered cooking anything heavy. That's what I be having sometimes. Simple. Alright guys, I hope you like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up, like, share. Let me know what you like to see me cook next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.